Hello everybody, how are you doing? Summer is in full swing, so it's high time to talk about summer holidays in our rubric. Did you know? Here we go. In summer, you can travel. You can travel by train. You can travel by plane. And what about me? I am traveling by car. You can buy souvenirs. And I am buying souvenirs. You can go for a walk. As for me, I'm walking in the mountains. You can boat. I am boating. You can live in a tent. I am living in a tent. You can have a barbecue. I am having a barbecue. Enjoy your summer, friends. And as for me, I am enjoying